Tandin Doji, and I am the Principal Founder and Chief Operations Officer at Education Pro Education Consultancy. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me think about a major goal that you have in your life. Think about a goal that you have already started to work on it. Or maybe you have just set it off because you have faced major setback, faced major objections, or maybe faced rejections. But there is something you must know, that there are winners, there are losers. And there are some people, they haven't discovered yet how to win. And to be successful in your life, you must ensure that your interest is taken care by yourself only. At least I'm happy that you have come to a realization point where you think that you need to take a different shape in your life, different direction in your life. You are responsible for your own future. That's why we are here today. When something happens to someone else's life, people tend to think that that is way it is, and that has been way it is, and they can't see any possibilities of being different. That is their perception. That is their impression. That is the false projection indeed. Before April 1954, there was a conception. There was a belief, universal belief. Because it has been tried again and again and failed again. And the belief was that no human being on this planet is capable of traveling 1 mile within 4 minutes. That was the belief. Later, Roger Bannister, a British athlete, he was able to break that threshold. Then and there until today, more than 20,000 students, including school kids, have been able to break that record. What have changed? 20,000 people who have broken the record, they have in their mindset that someone similar to them have done it in the past and I can do it that way. So that was the perception. So this being said, I want to say that yes, IELTS is very difficult and it is very important. There is no way out without IELTS. But you need to do your part. You just need to be focused. You just need to be practicing what your teachers are teaching in your classroom. You just need to give attention to detail. If that is the case, then I think IELTS is not impossible. IELTS is not rocket science again. You need to be precise. This is where precision beats the power, and when speed beats the time, you will get a very good result. And trust me, if you get 7.5 in your IELTS and your visa is still refused, at Education Pro, we are very much willing to pay back your professional service fee 100%. So IELTS is very, very important. Let's talk about GTE assessment. How IELTS is correlated to GTE assessment. And this brings us to this presentation. Because of the connectivity, the world has become so small, so much so that the geographical barriers have been literally dissolved to 1 centimeter. That's your mobile phone. You have everything on your computer. You have every information on your computer and mobile phones. You need to program your life. Otherwise, your life will program you. So that's the trend. And this being said, our host countries, especially English-speaking countries where earn and learn opportunities are possible, United States of America, UK, Canada, New Zealand and Australia, they are concerned about students being able to come to their countries so frequently, so freely. Because South Asian countries like Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Maldives, and some of the South African countries, they grade us as economically impaired zone, meaning our income, our earnings, our currencies are not at par. This is talking about whether that particular person is particularly traveling or making a travel plan to achieve the qualification attainment. Supposing, say, like you are proposing a Masters of Business Administration If you have your IELTS score 4.5, do you think that anyone on this planet Earth, a reasonable human being, will be able to believe that that person had a potential to successfully complete that master's program? So that's why your English is important. If you propose a program which is language intensive, master's or bachelor's of nursing, or for that matter, if you want to become a counselor, you are required to at least show IELTS 7 in each band, and even for teaching also. Teachers are considered as noble profession holders. So that's why you have to have a very fluent English. 7 in each band just to conduct teaching studies. So you can understand how English is important for your visa success. I will also share that life or getting settled in a very developed country is very, very hard. Very, very hard. You will get culture shock. You will not be able to navigate your life for some time. Here you have family, you have uncles, aunties, but it is not the case in other countries. Even if you have your relatives, even if you have your family members, own family members, don't trust them. They have to lead their own family. But be prepared for changes. Yes, changes will be very hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, but it is gorgeous in the end. If it is not hard in the beginning, then that's not a change. That's why some people, no matter what, how much hard work they are putting in their life, they cannot see any growth in their life. Well, life is all about negotiation. Sometimes you have to lose to win. I have worked 7 years straight through, day in, day out, and I was able to reach where I wanted to. I have just started my journey. For me and for my team, there is no way backward. Today I feel very proud. I compare myself to none, but I feel very proud about what I have been able to change. I was able to shape my life. My family and I, we are very much happy that my team here and my business associates here, they are helping us, and the client like yourselves, you are putting utmost trust in us. We are going to build generations on wealth, and then we are again willing to contribute to the society where we are making profit. So these things are intertwined to each other. We are going to create a symbiotic relationship with the society that we come from. I won't say it is my personal advice, but I want to make a recommendation. Take your life very serious. Be hungry for opportunities. You don't get lucky, you make lucky. This is the end of my story. Thank you.